Fast as you can get it. And then I'll scramble it some more. And then you can scramble it some more.
You're going to scramble the crap out of this? Oh man, I think I'm like solving it while simultaneously scrambling it. I'm that good.
Yeah. I think that's actually one of the many 43 quadrillion combinations that you can do. 43 quadrillion.
I don't like this game. I once had one and I just broke it.
There you go.
My brother broke mine.
So
Oh,
just
what a nice brother you had.
give it a bit of a mix.
That was only he was like 5
Happy with
though.
that?
No, I don't want any same colours near each other.
It's very hard because there are 43 quadrillion combinations.
And probably
There we
only
go.
about 10.
Alright, so here we go. So we
Hey,
have
the
a
amaz-
pre-inspection time.
Okay, yep.
Are you ready? Set, go.
Oh, no, Lucius, you had a little breakdown there.
$35 seconds. Well done. 35 seconds. There you go.
Alright.
That's
I have to like go get like